Hello, this is a fun weight transfer to your hands. It's one of my favorite ways to work on a low kick up. So you're gonna begin in a deep squat position, as low as you can go. Heels can totally come off the ground. Feet are wide. I am here. I'm going to rotate my body and my pelvis and my feet to the left. So you'll notice that both heels lift. I pivot, hands come to the floor. I'm gonna transfer the weight into my hands and back down. It's gonna look a lot more fluid than that. So again, I am here, I'm rotating and pause. Try the other side. So same thing. I'm thinking about, as I do this, I'm thinking about my belly button, my xiphoid process, and my pelvis all rotating at the same time. I'm gonna rotate right and just see what happens. Give that a try, see how it goes. And as always, if you found any of that information useful, please like, share, subscribe. You can learn more on my website, jenpilati.com. Thank you so much.